There is a saying, two is better than one, and that's absolutely true in this case for making up to $300 in a single day. The secret here is to combine two powerful apps, which you can download for absolutely free. And here is how it works. You have to download free images or free files on app number 1, and you can re-upload more images that you re-upload, the more money you are going to make. No creating videos, no website, no affiliate marketing, no selling, no referral, no social media. Just a plain and simple method that anyone can do in 10 minutes a day. And of course, if you want to make even more money, I would recommend you to spend more time with it. Why not? If you could earn up to $300 in a single day at the comfort of your own home, or simply using a smartphone or computer. I mean, how cool is that? And yes, both of these apps are available worldwide in all countries, and they pay out in many different payment options. This is something fresh and brand new, so be sure to stay until the very end. But before we start, welcome to Finance Girl, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Basically, in this video, I'll show you two different free apps that you have to use both of them together to make big money online. Now this is the first app that I want to show you, up-load.io. As you can see here, it is absolutely free. You don't have to pay any money to get started. Let me show you exactly how much money you can make from this free app. You can see here all these payment proofs in US dollars. Sometimes you can even earn more dollars over and over again, just like all of these people right here. As you can see, $30, $5, $23, $55, and here, $40. People from all over the world are actively cashing out money every single day, and they're super transparent to show you all of these testimonials with hundreds and hundreds of real payment proof. But remember, this is only the first app. You'll need to use another app to make the strategy work, so make sure to watch the full video so that you can know exactly how it works and what to do. Real quick, let me explain what this application is all about. Basically, you can make money on this website by simply uploading free files and images. Now when you upload something on this website and whenever someone else downloads them for free, and boom, you make money. You can earn up to $7 over and over again on complete autopilot, even while you're sleeping, even while you're traveling, while you're not doing this at all. You are still able to make money whenever people download the file that you uploaded on this website 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I will show you exactly where to find free files or images to download and all of the processes to upload them using a phone or computer, so don't worry about that. First of all, let me show you exactly how to sign up for free on this website. You're gonna click on the sign up button, and then you're gonna come over to this page. As you can see here, user registration. Simply enter your username, your email, your password, and payment information. Now they pay you in many different methods. As you can see here, they pay you in PayPal money, Payeer, web money, and all of these that you can see over here. Now real quick, I want you to comment down below and let me know what type of payment options you prefer in your country. But anyway, if your payment method is not available right here, you can just comment down below and let me know and see if I can help you to set up any payment method that you prefer. Now once you have finished filling in all your information, you're just gonna click on I'm not a robot and click on this green register button, as simple as that. Right now, I want to show you a real-life example inside my account and show you exactly how to do this step by step so you can start making money, and make sure you keep watching. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Now when I log into my account, you can see here when I click on this upload file button. Once again, you can do this on your computer. You can do this on your mobile phone or any other device, as long as you have the internet connection. And when you go on to upload file, you can actually start uploading something on this website. And whenever people download your file, and boom, you're gonna make money. So moving on, I'll show you exactly where to find free files to upload. and then you can profit a lot of money on this website. Right now, I want to show you the second app that you have to use, which is called pixabay.com, and the logo looks like this. Make sure you download the right app. This app is absolutely free, and you can get a lot of copyright-free and royalty-free images, which are all super high quality. As you can see here, all images and footage on Pixabay are released under Creative Commons, meaning this is free for commercial use. You can actually use it for commercial purposes, and you can upload these to the first app which I showed you previously, or used for any purpose that you want. No attribution required. From there, let me show you a real-life example and step-by-step demonstration on exactly how to do this, how to download, how to re-upload, and how to start making money. You can see it here. I've uploaded one demo image right here, and I've shown you how to do it right now. So first of all, you can come over to pixabay.com. You can see here stunning free images and royalty-free stock. They have over 1.7 million high-quality images and videos that you can download for absolutely free. You can find different images. For example, I type in nature and then press on the search button. You'll instantly find all free images to download. And when I click on any of these images, I'll show you an example using these flowers. Once I click on the image, we can actually click on this free download button, and I can actually select the resolution of the image. So here's the number one very important tip that I want to give you, is to make sure that you download a high quality image. As you can see here, you don't want to download this and this. At least at the minimum, you have to download 1280p. This one or this one. Make sure they are really high quality and high resolution images, so that people will actually want to download them, so they can make money, right? Does that make sense to you? Now I'm going to select this one right here. And you can see here the size of this image. It's actually a very small file, and you can download as much as you want. Now once I select this one right here, I'm gonna click on download. You can see here, download has been initiated on my computer. And again, you can do this on your computer, or you can do this on your mobile phone. It doesn't matter. Once I downloaded the images, I can actually start uploading on this website. But before I show you how to upload, I want to show you another example. For example, this is another image, and you can do exactly the same thing for it. So just click on the free download button, and I'll select this one right here, and just click on the download button. The download is initiated here. Again, this is 100% free. I don't have to pay any money to start downloading these images on Pixabay. Right now, I'll go back to the first website and show you how to upload them. Now when you click on this upload file, you can see here file upload. You can click on this link, or you can click on this image right here. You can see these are the images which I can upload on this website. For example, I'm going to show you when I click on this image and I just open it. After that, you can see this image is right here, and I can add more files. For example, I want to upload another image, so you can see more images. Now once I have uploaded everything, you are gonna click on this blue button to start uploading, and they'll start initiating the uploading process. You can see here 100%, it's actually pretty fast, because these images are very small in file size. It's actually a very small file, and you can do it hundreds and thousands of times a day. The more files or images that you upload, the more money you are going to make. Now there are a lot of high quality images right here. You can repeat this process again and again. You can see here, once I finish uploading the file, they're gonna give me 2 links right there. And whenever people click on this link to download the file, I'm gonna make money. And the best thing about this website is that you don't actually have to sell or market anything. You don't have to promote the link, because this website right here, they're going to promote those images for you automatically and get people to download them for free. Of course, if you don't like waiting, if you want to promote it elsewhere, for example on Facebook or forums, to further boost your income, it is always highly recommended. Once I finish the uploading process, I can click on My Files here. It will show me my recently uploaded images. Number 1, Number 2, Number 3. These are all the recent images that I just uploaded. I can set whatever price that I want to sell. For example, I can set it at $6, $7, or $9, and then whenever people download them using my link on this website, I'm going to make money. So this is a huge opportunity for you right now if you have a mobile phone. Both of these websites and apps are 100% free to use, And with just a few clicks and a few minutes a day, you're able to set up multiple passive income streams that run for you on complete autopilot. And that's it! Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.